Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
If a baby is born with a rare disease, the parents are immediately concerned about the health of their infant. In this case, it included a baby born with unusual white hair. A white-haired baby is extremely rare, particularly when the baby isn't albino. Baby Bence was born in 2015 and has a bright silver hair since his birth. He was raised as a wholesome infant. At birth, he weighed more than 11 pounds and was delivered just in time. But the parents could not be more surprised when they saw his eyes. Baby Bence's head was covered in silver white fur. The nurses who cared for him, for his hair, even called him Prince Charming. His parents were so concerned about his health, and the doctors performed several tests. They analyzed Bence's blood sample, and it was due to the unusual scarcity of pigments. It was not, however, the sign of illness or prenatal tension. But because Bence has no trouble with skin pigments, this is not albinism, and the hair color seemed temporary. Bence's doctor concluded that while melanin pigment might be lacking in the baby's head, there is no indication on the boy's body of any other pigment deficiency which would indicate it to be albinism. His hair color has sparked a contentious debate with experts. Some thought it would confuse as he grows up, while others claim it was an early sign of albinism. There were some discussions among the commentators. One commented, "It may be an indication of albinism. It might look pretty, but it could be bad for the child. It could be diagnosed under. A grandchild of mine has yellow albinism. The eye doctor had brought this to our attention when he was 2. He is 12 now, and he is declared legally blind." Another said, "Oh, there are different kinds of albinism. My daughter was born with hair like that. Wonder what she's got now. And she's got some pigment, so she's got albinism. Some people find it totally natural. But there are some people who experience the same thing, but their baby is normal. My little girl's hair was white when she was born and very thick like this. It still is white and keeps getting thicker. She was tested for albinism and has genetics tests ran on her, and she is perfectly normal." Baby Bence was not the only one who was born with the silver hair. Millie Anna, who was born in 2016. However, in her case, it was genetics. Her hair color was a very rare trait called poliosis, which results in a colorless patch of hair in the skin. Millie Anna's mother explained, "We are unsure how far back the birthmark goes, as my grandmother was adopted as a child and hasn't met her biological family. I was hoping she did have it. My youngest sister, that my mother had a few years after me, didn't get it. So I didn't know if Millie Anna was going to. But once I had her and they laid her on my chest and I saw she had it, I was so happy." A trait has been delivered through a happy family. Even with his silver white hair, Baby Bence is still a healthy and happy toddler.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.